what we're going to try to do is show you the operation of the tire changing machine. My name's Ken Carr. I'll give you a quick once over here. Some of the controls here. Click on this button right here. These are the jaws that grab the rim and hold it for you. So hit it once to go in, once to go out. Hit it again stops it. Push it down to go clockwise. Lift up, go counterclockwise. This down here is for your air pressure when you're inflating. You can watch the gauge. Once it's hooked up, you'll see the gauge come up so you can get a good idea of what your tire pressure is. The next thing you need to know about is the controls. These control this, which pops the tire off the bead. You want to remove any weights that you might have on the rim. They pop off just like. Grab it right there. You want this to go right next to the rim. Around. You gotta do the inside now. Down here, that allows the whole thing to pop over. All right, can you see how this is over the top here? At that point, you go ahead and hit the rotation pedal. She comes right around. Kick it over so you can get to the bottom lip with the bottom bead. Comes around just like that. Make sure the bead is down on the bottom part of the rim, not the top part, but down in the belly. You have to back it up, try it again. There we go. Just like that. Alright, so you hook up your air to your valve stem. You don't want your valve core in there because you want to get enough pressure. Push it down, we're seating the lower bead. Hopefully the air pressure will get the top bead. Soap will make the difference. Don't put your finger there. When you wait for the bottom of the pop, there you go. Now both beads are seated. This way to put a valve core back in. Try not to shoot it across the shop once again. Alright, your valve core's in. Go ahead and hook up your air once again. We check our gauge here. When you let off, it gives you a pressure. That gets you in the ballpark. Then you can dismount it and check it with the real air gauge. That's it. Hopefully that's the basic operation of the tire changing machine. If you have any further questions, the staff would be glad to help you out.